have been hearing a lot about smart nation, IoT, smart home, etc., etc. And all these devices can be interconnected.
Our family hub is also the first smart fridge. And why do I call it the smart fridge? It comes with a full HD 21.5-inch touch screen with built-in microphones as well as a Harman Kardon AKG speakers. It is truly the first for any fridge.
Smart fridges have been around for some years now, but only in selected countries. Now, this year Samsung is bringing in the Family Hub into Singapore for the very first time. And it is so-called version 3.0 from a global scale right now. And I have Joan with us today from Samsung, and we'll run through with you why this will really shake up your smart home today.
The Flex Zone, which is an innovative Samsung technology that allows you to control this compartment independently and have the flexibility to switch between 5 different temperatures. Actually comes with 3 built-in cameras, right here. Okay, so these 3 built-in cameras allows you to see what's inside the fridge remotely or via the Family Hub screen. So imagine you are at the supermarket and you don't know what you need to stock up, right? So you can just click on the View Inside app on your mobile phone and then see what's on the fridge or what's inside the fridge remotely. You can also use the Family Hub as a digital bulletin board. So you can send a memo, have your pictures, your holiday pictures and all on the Family Hub screen. The Family Hub is not short of entertainment features, like we can play music from Spotify or even tune in to your favorite radio station via TuneIn app. Right? And you can also enjoy the premium sound from our Harman Kardon AKG speakers.
我要点歌给我的女朋友，告诉她我爱她。
我想说我的 BFF 生日快乐，工作顺利。
Smart home control. So the Family Hub actually sits within the SmartThings ecosystem. So with the SmartThings, it actually allows users to monitor and control their smart appliances like our quick drive washer and the PowerBoard vacuum cleaner, all via the Family Hub. So all you need to do is just go into the SmartThings, right? And then we can get the robot to start cleaning. Family Hub also supports third-party devices like the Ring doorbell that lets you see who's at the door and even communicate with them via the Family Hub. So somebody's at the door, as you can see. From the Family Hub screen, you can see who's at the door and even communicate with them. Hello! Under food management, the Family Hub also comes with some built-in recipes that helps you to get some inspiration on what to cook. For example, the Tasty app. It will also show you the ingredients as well as the preparation method.